Here we are going with conditional expressions like case, coalesce, and nullif. Now look at this case expression. We are looking for all those columns, that is select star, from where? From order items table. But along with all these columns, we are looking for one more column, and that column we have represented as quantity category. Okay, and here we have added a conditions like quantity. If quantity is 115, then it's supposed to be categorized into mean quantity. If it is 115, then it should be max quantity, and in else case it should be average quantity. Okay, so let's run this one. Here we can see that all the columns are printed from order items table, okay, up to discount. And then there is a one more column we have added, quantity category. This is a new column we have added, and while adding this column we have added required cases on the basis of this quantity column. So you can see 114 is there, mean quantity is there, 115 is there, max quantity is there. Okay, now let's move to coalesce. As we discussed earlier, it is returning first not null value. So here it's expected that this is the first null value, then this is the first not null value. So if we run this one, we are getting szdatatech. Okay, so similarly here I am printing some records from sales customer. So we can see that we have considered column like customer ID and phone. So these are the two columns where we are getting from customers. We have added one more column, not null phone, and for that one we are providing the value of phone with coalesce function. For this coalesce function we have provided second argument as na. Okay, so if we run this one, we can see there is a one customer for whose phone number for customer id 1, there is customer id 1 for which phone number is null. Okay, and for null we have printed na, because for coalesce we have provided na as a non-null value. Similarly for customer 2 it is printing na for not null. Whereas if we go with customer 5, it is already having phone number, that's the reason it is printing this phone number over here. Now going to nullif. In nullif, if we are getting the arguments with same values, we will get the output null. If we execute this one, we are getting null value. But if these arguments are not same, then it will print first argument. So if we run this one, we will get high. Okay, let's try something else. If we print null, then what will happen? So if we provide null as a first argument, then it is throwing error, because this first argument should not be null, it should be with some value, so that the type of the first argument has to be known. Okay, now if we mention null as a second argument and execute it, we are getting high. So that's it for this video.
So enjoying this video? Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.